Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and safely find and remove duplicate files in your OneDrive account using a tool called System Duplicate Finder. If your cloud storage is cluttered with files you're not even aware of, or you've reached your storage limit and aren't sure what's actually taking up space, this tutorial will help you clean things up and keep your OneDrive running efficiently. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your OneDrive, search for duplicates in the whole account or just a specific folder, and most importantly, get rid of that needless clutter in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to download System Duplicate Finder if you haven't already. Just head over to their website, download the installer, and run it. The process is pretty straightforward, and System's installer walks you through each step. Take a moment to make sure you're downloading from the official site so you know you're getting a legitimate, safe version. Once the installation wraps up, open the application. You'll notice a simple interface designed to be easy to use even if you don't have much tech experience. Now on the left side of the window, look for the plus button. That's your gateway to adding new search locations. Click that plus button. The first time you do this, the software will prompt you to connect your OneDrive account. This is normal and it's necessary for the app to access your files. You'll likely see a pop-up or a sign-in screen. Don't worry if this takes a few moments. Follow the prompts, sign in with your OneDrive credentials, and authorize System Duplicate Finder to scan your files. You may need to grant permission for the tool to interact with your account. That's just a security measure from Microsoft to protect your data. Remember, the app isn't saving your credentials, it's just getting the access it needs once you approve. With authorization out of the way, you're ready for the next step. Click the plus button again. This time you'll see OneDrive as an option. Go ahead and select it. Here, where you can make a real difference. You can either select your whole OneDrive account if you want a super thorough clean, or for more control, pick just a specific folder. For example, if you only want to tidy up your pictures directory or clean out your documents, just highlight that folder. This way, you can focus the scan and avoid accidentally deleting duplicates from folders you want to keep intact for organization's sake. Once you've made your selection, it's time for the magic to happen. Click Scan. Now, System Duplicate Finder will get to work analyzing all the files in your chosen area, comparing their content, file names, sizes, and more to identify duplicates. Depending on how many files you have, this part might take a few moments. Don't worry if your computer churns for a bit. This scanning process is thorough by design, so you don't miss any hidden duplicates. After the scan completes, System will show you the results, and you can review which files are marked as duplicates. Take your time here. This is your chance to double-check before deleting. When you're ready, hit delete, and just like that, you'll have reclaimed valuable storage space and made your OneDrive a lot easier to manage. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can keep your OneDrive lean and organized, freeing up space for the files that actually matter. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions. I do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.